What's up and good afternoon, guys? Welcome back to another video. Chris, say hi.
Good morning, guys. I mean, good afternoon.
Oh, you busy, buddy?
I'm busy.
Real busy,
Working.
real busy. Oh, nice. Hey, I like the new work truck. Finally upgraded to a diesel? Flatbed?
6.0.
Dang, you didn't learn your lesson?
We already blew that engine.
Okay. Hey, buddy, can you help me? I gotta hold the camera, man. Can you help me get this out of the back seat here? Got a little special box there.
Heavy.
Oh, you're strong. You curl it. Can you curl it? Oh, dang, son. Dang, son. All right. Now you're gonna hurt yourself. So we got a little something special you might be able to see is denoted on there. Let's crack this open. We got a lot of new stuff today to show you guys. I'm actually kind of really excited. This one I'm really excited for. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. If you guys remember a long time ago on my Instagram, I put a little feeler out there on some work for it fire pits that we were going to possibly have manufactured and start selling. And they're really cool. As you can see, the fire pits all stack in like a nice tray form, so you can keep them in your trailer, at your house, your cabin, wherever you want to put them. Super quick to assemble. And we did like a little poll on Instagram as to what design we should go with. This is actually the one that everybody ended up picking. Can we actually like hold it so they can see the design the right way? Upside down, Chris. There we go. There we go. So,
Bro,
boom.
this is like you go to the desert.
Yep.
Like, it's dinner time. Dinner tray. And afterwards, set it up, fire pit.
Yeah, I mean, your food's gonna fall through, but yeah. We're ironing out the details. Yeah. While Chris assembles that, what we're gonna also be doing today is we've got hopefully, I ordered them. I don't know if we got them all. The parts to get the OBS back together because it's been sitting here for well over a week. And the problem is I gotta register it. And yeah, you can't register it in California from out of state without going and getting it weighed and doing a bunch of stuff. Well, when we tore it apart, I thought we were gonna have it back together the same day. I thought we had all the parts to do the little maintenance on it, and we didn't. So we're running close on that registration time period of getting penalized. And no thanks to Summit Racing, who guaranteed my parts by like last Friday, then called me that Friday to verify my address, which is dumb because my address was completely correct. And my parts didn't end up getting shipped out till way later. So in this box, we've got all the bearings, we've got the bearing races, we've got longer studs to be able to run a more modern wheel on the OBS. Zach's coming here in a little bit, so like I said, I hope we have everything that we need to get this thing back on its wheels and drivable, because I think we also got some rain coming. It'd be fun to take that out in the mud. Chris, you down? Oh, you got excited when you heard that.
Wait, there's rain coming?
I think there's rain coming. Why?
This weekend?
Oh, you want to take your truck out?
Nah,
Oh, yeah. Now, we've seen pictures. If you guys remember, Chris's truck is over at Genesis Detailing getting all of the haziness off from a bad color correction job. And Nick's been sending us pictures. That thing looks like flawless. It looks beautiful. Chris doesn't want to take it out if there's rain coming. Leave it upside down. Look.
What do you mean?
This one's right side up. Work for it. This one's upside down, buddy.
Well, you know.
It's all right, man. It's your first time. I got it.
You get what you pay for.
But you guys can see they're really easy to assemble. They use a carriage bolt and then just one little nut on the side, and the thing fully assembles super quick. Super quick, assuming he's not on the job. So here it is, fully assembled. As you guys can see, it goes together really quick with the carriage bolts and the wing nuts on everything. Also tears down really quick. This is obviously in collaboration with our good buddies over at Flog Industries. So if any of you guys are interested, let me know down in the comment section. I think this is something that we are going to offer, obviously with summertime coming up, everybody going camping, hopefully the world opening back up. Or, you know, if you want to keep this on your farm or wherever it may be, like, this thing's ideal. But let me know down in the comments how many of you guys are interested, and we'll probably open up a pre-order for those. And speaking of new work for stuff, as you can see, I'm wearing the new, one of the new Work For It t-shirts. Let's see if we can show the back, maybe. Maybe we can show the back. I don't know. Can you see it? All right, here. This probably makes a little bit more sense. Can you guys see the back? And on top of dropping this new design, we've got another new design over here in these boxes that are about to be on the website. Well, they will be on the website by the time this video goes live. And we've got a ton more new stuff that's going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you guys stay posted on the website, workforapparel.com. There'll be a link right there as well. As there's always one down in the description. Oh, we got the full team today. This is
So what is this? I get a single cab, you get a single cab. I start building a flatbed, and now I see a flatbed out front. What is all this?
Well, so you started building it. I figured I was just going to yank it off of Chris's work truck, and we were going to put it on here.
I say let's do it. Hell yeah.
Oh, we got our OBS expert, Zach's back. Light him up! Light him up! Man, everybody's windows are too tinted around here. Hey, buddy!
You try to keep it on the left side?
Oh, see, nope, you got a gap again.
All right, back it up.
Is this what we're really doing, boys? We're really playing the game of how to wind the spool up up nicely.
We're just bored.
I don't have anything to do a burnout in, so.
Ooh, that's good stuff right there. It's a good axle, buddy.
It's a short axle.
Oh, don't fall over, buddy. We got it. It looks like we're taking this apart a lot further than even the parts I bought for it.
Well, you want ball joints in there, right?
That's true. I do want ball joints in there. I've heard those are important.
You don't want to be like one of these yee-yees when the wheel falls off.
No, we don't want a wheel to fall off. That's Dedek's department over there, right, buddy?
Oh, that's Rich's department.
Well, your wheel fell off too?
Listen.
What? Blame your dad?
It didn't wreck my truck now, did it?
Kinda.
I was conscious enough to be like, that feels weird, and I pulled over.
Your bedside was pretty torn up. So yeah, it did kind of wreck your truck.
But did my wheel go like flying down the street and then?
Almost.
But, all right, listen.
I just want to tell you, Zach, I'm very glad you're here because there's a lot of parts to go into this stuff.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you what I had for lunch yesterday, but
Oh, you remember how to put this
yeah,
together?
this is easy.
All right, good. You need me to spread it, or you gonna spread it and me push it?
Yeah, probably.
All right.
So don't let it hit.
Don't let it hit me in the face?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want that either. It's not big enough, man. Spread her more. There we go. Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work. So before everybody criticizes, this is not the right tool. I bought this for the little clips for the forward headlights. This one is a spread it the wrong way.
This is for an internal clip,
Yeah.
and this is an external.
We need an external clip. We don't have one right now, so we're making do. Listen, Zach was going to be using 3 nails and a rubber band, so this is a little step up. So the previous owner failed to mention when I purchased this truck that it was like full of spiders and spider webs. I've walked into more spider webs from spiders that have like come off of this truck and attached to the golf cart. I've been hit in the face a few times here. I've sprayed the heck out of this thing the other day with some bug spray, as you can see, to kill them. Zach's been finding some over there on the axle.
They're Carolina spiders too.
Oh, extra deadly. Yeah. All right, so Wes is eating a 4x4 and In-N-Out went straight to a couple pieces of pizza. We gotta take some precautions under the door here in the bathroom.
You good in there, man? You need first responders?
And I feel bad, there's only the 1 ply in there. Oh no, you took the 2 ply.
You were smart. You scoped out the area first.
So one of the other parts that we got that are gonna go on today, thanks to my good buddy Dedek down here, he's got a lot of experience. He actually just did one of these on his Chevy, is the trans mount, because if you guys remember we had the issue with the clunking. Zach got up underneath it and realized like everything's flexing. The mount was messed up, so we're going to be swapping the current mount. Super easy, Dedek told me, so I'm excited to watch how easy this is.
Oh, it's easy. I'm just gonna get here, lift, and he's gonna just swap it in and out real quick and we're done.
Oh, like NASCAR style.
Well, look what I'm saying right here. That's how Ford knew that their shit was gonna break down all the time. They even stamped everything on the underneath.
Well, the mechanic's got to look at it, you know?
Right? The mechanic's gotta know what he's working on.
Coming to you, buddy. Watch your toes. Watch your toes. Here we come. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why I'm not a mechanic.
Make sure you dent up the door on the way in.
Yeah, holy shit, you're not allowed to work with this stuff.
Hey, you know that little foamy piece?
Yeah.
That slides up.
That's for working on the fancy car. Oh, shit. Before that.
Well, it used to be straight. The body used to be straight on this one.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to replace that side with some more blue body panels.
See, the body was too nice, so we had to fix it.
Well, I put enough dents in the body, getting this thing jack in place. Dang, dude. Come on, try harder.
That was my mouth.
Jeez. There's a busted knuckle right there just waiting to happen. A little tight?
Let's go to the other side, maybe.
Get it,
That's why I don't like these creepers. They roll when you try to.
Well, you can get off the creeper.
All right, well, you gave it to me, so I felt obligated to use it.
Yeah. Throw some chocolate into it.
Holy shit. Hey, I got a cramp in my foot.
See, Dedek, so I would come back under there and help you, but remember that spider? Oh, jeez, he's right there, Wes. Watch out, Wes, he's right there.
Wrench out.
Bro, that's a real fucking brown recluse, man.
That's the brown recluse.
Dude, watch this 200. Stop, let me look at it.
What's the part number on
Yo,
that, Wes?
that is a motherfucking... Dude, that's actually, for real, either a brown widow or a...
And Waylon.
All right.
That's good, we want them on the ground.
All right, whack him down.
We want him where we can get him.
Oh, jeez. Get him, Wes.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Dude, that splattered all the way onto my leg. I got him. I think you needed a bigger hammer.
Jesus Christ.
I think I got poisoned.
I think 3 just crawled out. He got mad we took out his buddy.
Jeez, dude.
Dude, you pulverized him.
Good news is Zach seems to be a lot more successful than we are down below with the trans mount. Did Wes have to come in here and dad it for you? And
Let me tell you, it was.
He broke it loose for you?
Oh yeah. He gave it all the Ugga-Duggas.
There you go. Great job, buddy. Crank it up. Hey, don't hit my door panels, all right, with that jack
That's
handle.
just you.
All right. Old trans mount?
Trans man?
Trans man?
All right.
Lower down.
Get those on first.
I don't know, guys. We got Zach working hard. Everybody over here
We did our
resting.
job. We changed out the mount.
That is true. That is true. Watch out, man. More spider webs, dude. I don't want you to get bit by that brown recluse. Oh, Chris is gone. Chris is gone.
That's the fastest I've seen Chris ever move.
Oh yeah. That's a nice clean axle. Oh, why is it so muddy? Uh-oh. Oh man, we're putting some hair gel on it now? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Packing bearings. Oh, jeez. Stand on it, dude.
Oh, look at that.
That's good stuff.
Packed.
Hey, how come everybody else left us?
Well, it's Friday, 11 o'clock,
Past everybody's bedtime?
past my bedtime.
Hey, but we're still going strong. You're on Red Bull number like 12.
You got me at the OBS, man. I can't have it.
So that's, yeah, I found out the trick to keep Zach hanging around and working on my stuff. Just keep buying OBSs. That's it. Or just keep breaking them.
No, just keep buying them because eventually we'll have enough to where I can start getting parts off of them.
If anybody's got any donor OBS parts out there, what do you need? Tranny?
One of everything.
Well, one of everything. All right.
One of everything.
Hook Zach up. Zach needs some OBS parts. Well, we were doing good, guys. It was clear sailing over here. Then we started putting in the new studs that we got with the new rotors. And unfortunately, like, they're not seating, which something's a little off here. In the studs themselves, I don't want to have to put the factory ones back in, but it looking like that's our only option. You can kind of see the difference there. And again, the reason we went with the longer ones is to enable us to put more modern wheels on these things. We need a bigger hammer.
Apparently, Chevy parts don't fit in a Ford.
Thanks, Dedick. If you remember, Dedick was calling out part numbers, which we specifically stated right here, and I got that part number. Oh yeah, oh, she's gonna go.
Come on.
She's gonna go. We got her, buddy. Going great. It's going great. It's only 12:30 in the morning. This side went on great. Let's just show you the side that's done over here. Everything back together, looking good. We got the new rotors on.
It's on.
Oh, it's on?
Doesn't like the camera. This truck does not like the camera.
None of my Fords enjoy the camera. They're all cursed. So the last couple of pieces here are these 5 million little thingamajbobbers that go inside the hubs there. Learning a lot from this project, Zach. I'm learning a lot, buddy. I'm totally gonna know that I need to call you if this ever happens again, because it's a lot. It's more than you realize. You look at this and you're like, oh, that's like 3 parts.
It's a rotor and a brake thingy, and then the spinny thing inside the other spinny thing that locks the other spinny thing to the spinny thing to make it all spin.
That's what I was saying. I mean, really easy, guys. Really easy. Well, obviously with the new rotors, we're doing new pads. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Pretty soon. Tires and wheels going back on. This thing will be sitting on the ground. Well, the good news is we got everything tightened up, but the tires came weirdly worn from being worn out. Ready when you are, buddy. I've been waiting for this day for months, or a week. Woo! Back on all 4s. We can officially get rid of. Hold up. Well, I mean, we're still missing the caliper bolt. Yeah. Tomorrow. The ones I thought I needed to order didn't look like the ones I thought I needed. So yeah, now I know what we need to order. Probably make sure this thing still starts, being that it's been overrun with spiders and all kinds of crap and sitting for a while. Oh, purrs like a kitten. Final step, put some air back in the tires because all these were really low when I bought it. This rear one over here we found was 15 PSI, a little lower than I feel comfortable with, driving at a normal rate of speed. Thankful for my truck pack for giving me this super sweet tire pressure gauge, because apparently we don't have one in the shop, so this came in my truck pack. Coming in handy right now if we trust it. I like the plastic head on it. Man, am I happy to have this thing back together. I feel like every time I buy a new or a new to me truck, it ends up getting torn apart right away, or like I don't even ever get to enjoy it for months at a time. So good news is back together. It's drivable. Once I get those caliper bolts in, I can finally go get this thing weighed, which now I can go get it registered. It has to be inspected and yada, yada, yada. The good thing is it is smog exempt being a 97 and a diesel, so I don't have to deal with any of the emissions crap. And hopefully we can actually like go hit some trails with this thing soon, because I want to like take it a little, you know, I don't want to go too crazy off-road. We ain't going to be jumping it or anything, but I want to see what this thing's got. And being that it's 2:30 in the morning, I think it's time we wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, you get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.